In a busy data center, critical systems began silently leaking sensitive data. By the time it was discovered, millions of records had already been compromised. The cause? A tiny, almost undetectable modification, one chip swapped during production, had opened the entire system to attack. The breach started with a single swapped component in the supply chain. Without proper security checks, counterfeit parts slipped through, bypassing defenses and turning a trusted system into a vulnerability. How can we prevent such vulnerabilities from ever reaching critical systems? This is where the Winbond W77QNW Secure Flash makes the difference. Winbond's Secure Flash safeguards hardware and firmware integrity at its core, using post-quantum cryptography and LMS signatures to ensure both data and hardware remain authentic and secure. The hash of the firmware code is stored in the W77QNW chip and is protected by internal private keys. This ensures that no unauthorized modifications can bypass the chip's security. The W77QNW attestation process checks the chip's authenticity, ensuring that only genuine, unmodified components are in use. These integrity checks can be performed regularly, whether daily, monthly, or annually, offering continuous protection against counterfeit parts throughout the chip's lifecycle. With Winbond's W77QNW family, you're not just ensuring the authenticity of your chip, you're safeguarding your entire system, ensuring trust and security from within. Winbond.